going to narrate a story of Peacock and Nightingale. There was a beautiful forest near a small village. The forest had a different varieties of animals, birds, fruits, and flowers. There lived a beautiful peacock with pretty body and cute feathers. He dances beautifully in the rain. Once he was dancing during the rainy season, he started to sing. Then he realized that his voice was not good as his body. He felt so sad and tears came from his eyes. There lived also a brown, bright, and tiny nightingale in the same forest. Nightingale came to the peacock and asked, "Oh, my dear friend, why are you sad? Why are you crying? What happened?" Peacock replied, "Yes, my friend, I'm not happy. I wish I could have a nice voice like you. I wish I could have a nice voice. Oh, Peacock, do you think that I am lucky to have a nice voice? But that is not true. Do you know what? When people listen to my voice and find me tiny bird which is not beautiful has its voice. Now think, my friend, although I have a nice voice but not a gorgeous body like you, however, I sing happily every day and actually thank God for what I have, but do not complain about my body." Peacock thought for a while and realized Nightingale was right. He thanked God for giving a gorgeous body to him. From that day onwards, Peacock never complained about the bad voice and, as usual, dances beautifully and happily on the rainy days. The moral of the story is, thank God for what you have, but do not complain about what you don't have. Thank you.